Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Geany on Windows. To install Geany, go to a browser and type Geany download, press enter. Click on the first link. So this will open the page geany.org download. Here click on releases. Under the section Windows 64, here click on the setup.exe. So this will download the exe. Click on it. So the download of the exe has started. It is around 26 MB. Wait for it to complete. So now you can see that the exe download is complete. Now click on the folders icon. This will open the exe in Explorer, the Windows Explorer. So here we need to install Geany. For this, double click on the exe. Click on yes if you get a security prompt. Now on the setup wizard, click on next. Click on I agree for the license agreement. You can leave the components as default and click on next. So you can keep the installation location as default or you can change it if you need and then click on next. Now click on install. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the installation is complete. Click on finish. So now once the installation is complete, next we need to add Geany to path. For this, press Windows R and type sysdm.cpl and press enter. This will open up the system properties. Go to the advanced tab. Click on environmental variables. Here under system variables, click on the path and click on edit. And here you need to add the path where the exe of Geany was installed. So for this, while we were installing, we installed it in C program files. So press Windows R, go to C program files. And here you must be able to see the Geany folder. This is the location where we installed it. So open this folder. So here it will be inside bin. Here you can see the geany.exe. So here you need to copy this path and paste it in the path variable. So click on this and press Ctrl C to copy. Minimize it and now go to the environmental variables path. You double click on the last line and here you need to paste the exe path of Geany that we copied. So Ctrl V to paste. So now we have pasted it. Now click on OK. OK again. Click on OK again. So now we have added Geany to the path variable. Okay. So now the installation is complete. Once we install Geany and add Geany to the path variable, now we need to launch it. So you can directly launch it from the start menu or double click on the desktop icon to open it. Or you can also launch it from CMD. So let me launch it via CMD. For this, press Windows R and type CMD, press enter. And here type Geany, press enter. Okay, so this launches Geany from command prompt. So these are the steps we need to follow to download and install Geany and add Geany to the path variable and then launch it post the installation. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.